Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to Crazy Eats. So today I bring a very different upload. Today's upload is a Nikkah. We call it a Nikkah, which is engagement ceremony. The engagement ceremony is of my niece, my sister's daughter. So I thought I'd share this very important event with my YouTube family. So as you can see, I just filmed the venue, which was a Turkish restaurant. We know the owners, very nice people. So they set all of this up for us. The whole restaurant was booked out for the event. So as you can see now, the bride walking in and sitting on her seat. And we're gonna go into the groom now. And here we are in the masjid. And the imam, which is the priest, saying a few words regarding the importance of marriage and reading the script, and then the groom, once that was finished, he came into the restaurant. So I'm gonna stop there so you can listen to some of the conversation between the kids and the groom. So I'll speak to you in a bit.
আমি কই তোমরা রে হকলতা আমি সবাই করাম এটা আমরা লগে না এগুলো তোরা করাইলা এটা দামান তো আমি তো মাছ না আগে কাম করো তোরা অরিজিনাল মালিক কে অরিজিনাল মালিক তোমরা দুলা তারা দুলা আচ্ছা ধরো তারা দুলা ভাই লগে ধরো আমি তো লাইরাম মাছ না আমি তো লাইরাম ওই আতলো বিসমিল্লাহ কই আতলো বিসমিল্লাহ তোমরা দুলা ভাই মনে হয় ডরাই গেছেন তোমরা দিকে রাখ দাও ভাই তারা দুলা ভাই রাখিলা আমরা ভিতরে যাই আমরা অত কত কিছু আমি দিলাম বিসমিল্লাহ কই আতলো দেখো না বরকত দিবাল্লাহ আতলো খারাপ না ঠিক আছে আচ্ছা মাতো তুলো আতো দুলাই লাগে মাতো এই নাই মারতে কুচু কর ও মাই গো বাপ রে বাপ দিয়ার অলরেডি এই আমার দামান রে ফাইটার জন্য বেশি দিলা কুচা খাল লাগে আমরা লাগি না তারা দিলা লাগে
So as you saw, the kids hold the gate, don't let the groom enter. Just a bit of fun, really. So you can see the food at the moment. I have to say the food was brilliant, freshly prepared, very, very hot. The service was brilliant. The venue is called Mighty Grill. It's just behind Islamic Mosque, which is the LMC. So yeah, if you guys wanna hire anything, I do recommend it. They were very accommodating, and the service, like I said, was very, very brilliant, and the food was absolutely great. So yeah, everyone was eating, tucking into their food. This was probably around 7:30 in the evening. As you can see, everyone's really focused around eating, and we come to the bride's table now. Lots of food, and the bride, as I'm her uncle, she was trying to feed me a little bit as well, which was brilliant because I didn't have much to eat all day. So yeah, hopefully you can enjoy the video, and let me know what you thought on the comments. Please subscribe to my channel. And press the bell icon so every new upload you get a notification. And I'll see you soon with another video. Assalamu alaikum.
Bring the auntie. Hold on. Come on, bring the auntie. Bring the auntie, okay, Khalida. Come back.
Are you recording yet?
Come.
I'm doing it on Snap. You can
Okay, quickly. Okay, তুমি তাই রিসিভ করলাও তার কাছ থেকে আংটি প্লিজ থ্যাংক ইউ তুই আগাইয়া দে তোমরা দাও আগে ওকে
Okay, hold on, do it slowly. Stay there.
ওকে
Otherwise,